Hello and welcome. Uyu munsi turiga interuro z'ingenzi mu Cyongereza dushyireho ibisobanuro mu Kinyarwanda. Izi nteruro uzazikoresha buri munsi mu buzima busanzwe. Ready? Let's go. Section 1, greetings. Iyo uhuye n'abantu ukoresha izi ndamutso. Hello, hello, bite cyangwa muraho. Good morning, good morning. Mwaramutse neza. How are you? How are you? Amakuru. I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Ni meza, urakoze. Section 2, at home. Izi nteruro zikoreshwa mu rugo mu buzima bwa buri munsi. I am cooking. I am cooking. Ndimo guteka cyangwa ndi guteka. Please close the door. Please close the door. Ndakwinginze funga umuryango cyangwa nyabona funga umuryango. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Zimya itara cyangwa zimya urumuri. I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep. Ngiye kuryama. Section 3, at market. Ku isoko naho tugomba kumenya kuvuga Icyongereza cyoroshye, Icyongereza wajyana guhaha. How much is this? How much is this? Ni amafaranga ngahe? It's too expensive. It's too expensive. Birahenze cyane. Can you reduce the price? Can you reduce the price? Wagabanya igiciro. I want to buy vegetables. I want to buy vegetables. Ndashaka kugura imboga. Section 4, travel. Niba uri mu rugendo wakoresha aya magambo cyangwa izi nteruro zoroshye. Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? Aho bategera bisi ni he? I want to go to town. I want to go to town. Ndashaka kujya mu mujyi. I want to go to town. What time is the next bus? What time is the next bus? Bisi kurikira iraza ryari? I missed the bus. Nacikanywe na bisi. I missed the bus. Great work. Ushobora gusubiramo izi nteruro kenshi kugira ngo uzimenye. Subscribe kuri channel yacu kugira ngo wigize interuro nshya buri munsi na buri cyumweru. See you in the next video. Ciao ciao. This is Daily English Sentences with Kinyarwanda.